Welcome to the Inner Chief Podcast, episode 354. I am your host, Greg Layton, founder of Chiefmaker and the Council of Chiefs. I believe there is a great chief in all of us, and that through listening to the stories, strategies, and techniques of great CEOs and gurus, each of you can find and leave your own legacy through your work and life. The Inner Chief Podcast is where you will learn how to think and make moves like a CEO, like a true chief. For over a decade, I've helped CEOs and senior executives around the world boldly lead change, inspire their people, and leave a legacy. On the Inner Chief Podcast, I bring these stories to life with deep diving CEO interviews, interspersed with minisodes covering key leadership challenges, so you will find your own path to greatness as an executive. G'day, Chief. Welcome to the Inner Chief Podcast, episode 354. Today, we launch 2025. And I've just got three big questions for you to make sure if you can answer these three questions, I think you can make 2025 your best year ever. Right, how are we going to do this? Question number one, right? What is my focus? What is my focus? Far too many of us are spreading ourselves thin. We're firing shotguns and we should be firing sniper rifles. I want you to get down to three things that you are going to achieve in 2025, right? One at work, one in your personal life, which is around relationships and things, and one around your fitness. Three big goals. If we're going to be great leaders, and by the way, the fitness might also be things like meditation, totally happy with that, right? What is the big outcome you're going to nail at work? What is the great thing you're going to nail from a relationship perspective? And what is the big thing you're going to do in a personal health and fitness? Three big goals, okay? That's number one. We want them not locked in so you can say to yourself, by the end of 2025, I'm going to have done A, B, and C, right? Question number two is, hey, what is my support crew, my entourage, right? How am I going to get there, right? So one of the things we find for things like the Mini MBA and the Council of Chiefs is it's that bouncing back of ideas, a little bit of coaching to ensure you get to your end game as fast as possible. So for instance, if one of your things was going to be, I want to meditate every week for the next year, get yourself a meditation coach. Don't try and do that on your own. Right, there's a reason the best in the world always have some sort of coach, right? It's not by accident. They always have them because they can just show you the next step, help you cut corners, make gains faster than ever before. What is going to be your support crew? So if you think about your big three things, hey, what is my support crew to get me there? My coach, my leader, my peers that are going to get me there. And if you've got those two things, you've got your focus and you've got your support crew, then like you're really on the way. Like it's going to be a big, big, big year for you. The third question, Chief, is where in my calendar, my operating rhythm, am I going to find time for deep thinking time? I spoke to you in the last episode just before the end of the year about the importance of focus, about the importance of creativity, right? About the importance of making sure we bring the human element to work again, right? That doesn't happen if all you're doing is rushing around being transactional. We've got to get off the dance floor. We're going to get up, nice and high, away from work, and we need to calm the farm and to breathe and to reflect on our work. If you add this into your year, then I absolutely guarantee you that things will work out better. Free resources to help you out with this, right? We have a game plan course on our website. It's really affordable for what you get out of it. You can go to Chiefmaker and just look under courses called Game Plan. If you want to build your support crew, either join the Mini MBA or our Council of Chiefs. That'd be really, really big, right? And that's a wonderful opportunity for you to just absolutely skyrocket your skill set and massively increase your network overnight, okay? The third one is if you want to work out how to find that time to do deep thinking time, is go to our website and look under resources. There's an operating rhythm. Download there for you, or just go to chiefmaker.com operating rhythm. And there's a download there that you can use that will help you work out how to structure your year so you get that deep thinking time. So, Chief, if you do these big three things, get the focus on 3 big goals for the whole year, get your support crew around you, and make sure you've got the deep thinking time. Those are 3 foundational building blocks to all high performance. No high performance happens without those 3 big things. So make sure they're in your year ahead. This is going to be the best year ever, Chief. I know it's going to be the best year ever for you. So let's nail it. If you ever want to work with us at Chiefmaker, just get in contact with us through the website or email me direct, greg@chiefmaker.com. All right, Chief, that's it for this week. As always, remember to stay epic. Chief, all the resources can be found at chiefmaker.com/354. Or just check it out on YouTube. Go to chiefmaker.com/YouTube. Chief, one of the biggest challenges in all leadership roles is how to influence stakeholders. The difficult, the easy, the elusive, all sorts of stakeholders, board members, executive teams, clients, suppliers, the media, the community. And if you want the definitive guide on how to think about it, how to set yourself up and prepare for it, how to run through and map your stakeholders, and how to finally influence with integrity, go to chiefmaker.com/stakeholder for a fully editable PDF guide on mastering stakeholder influence. That's chiefmaker.com/stakeholder. And if you would like to stay in touch and hear all about some of the best resources you can find anywhere in the world to improve your performance at work, go to chiefmaker.com/subscribe. Now, Chief, if you're yet to rate the episode and subscribe, I hope you'll do so soon. It helps others see the magnificent value that the chiefs and gurus bring to their life and career. So make sure you hit subscribe on your podcast app now, give it a 5-star rating if you think it's worthy, and leave a short review about your favourite episode. Righto, Chiefs, as always, remember to stay epic.